Hi, welcome to Weekly Market Outlook with Jagdish Chandran. Today we'll be discussing about what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty for the week and important levels to watch out for. Markets has been witnessing stiff resistance around 19,750, 19,800, and sell on rise has been a strategy. The trend definitely has weakened. Nifty sustaining below 19,600, 19,500 will invite 19,400 and 19,300 and lower levels. Cautiously poised for now. Bank Nifty too has been weakened bias, and with 43,500 remaining the support zones, breach below this decisively can slide towards 43,200, 42,800 and lower levels in coming sessions. Both the indices in a verge of profit booking and breaking below the crucial support zones in coming sessions will invite lower levels. To summarize Nifty and Bank Nifty, Nifty range would be 19,200 to 19,650. Bank Nifty range would be 42,800 to 43,800 zones. Great opportunity to be available in coming sessions to create a long-term portfolio in a staggered manner and staggered approach for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the video and market updates and is useful for your trading decisions and investment decisions. If so, hit the like button. Do share it to your friends and relatives who are looking for more market updates and insights. Kindly subscribe our channel for more market updates. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.